The FileCloud admin portal provides you the capability of creating customized reports under miscellaneous reports. The customized reports can give you multiple pieces of information of your system depending on what you're looking for. To create a customized report, simply click on the Add button, then select from the drop-down the type of report you want to create. In this case, we have multiple reports. For example, get the user login reports, which display when have the users logged in and who has logged in. Get the user share report, which will display what have the users shared. Get the deleted files report, file count report, and other reports to obtain more information within your system. In this case, if I wanted to look, for example, get the file count report, click on Next, and I'm giving some parameter as per where is the path of the user that I want to find, the count of the files, for example. I can select other kinds of report, like for example, get the file, get the user quota users report. Click on Next. In this case, this is completely optional. I can just click on Next and say user quota as a name. Once I've finished, the report will appear on the report list, as you can see here, and I can click on Play. Once I click on Play, this will return the user, their information, and the quota assigned and how much quota percentage have they used, and the total data they've used so far. You can create multiple reports as you've seen here and see different informations that you're looking for. For example, get the statistics about the DOP violations if there are any. From the report section, you're also going to be able to download this report in a CSV format as seen here. You're also going to be able to filter by report name in case you have multiple reports and are looking for one in specific, or you can specify by the type of the report. You can delete reports or edit them as needed. There's the capabilities within FileCloud's customized reports.